Today's topic is inserting objects. It is very useful when you want to insert objects from current software or you want to connect them other softwares and want to attach some document to the current document. Let's discuss inserting object. In addition to graphic, image, to add a personal touch to a special message or to illustrate a special feature, you may want to embed sound files or maybe even actual files from other software applications in your document. For example, you can insert a PDF file or a spreadsheet within the word processor. Insert objects is a tool provided by Microsoft Word. With the help of these features, we can insert graphics, pictures, audio, video to current Microsoft Word document. With the help of these options, we can easily connect other softwares and attach the contents that we want to insert in a current document. इंसर्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की मदद से आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड में किसी दूसरे सॉफ्टवेयर से जस्ट लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल, पेंट, you can insert from pictures, audio or any diagrams. Also you can attach PDF files. It is very useful tools when you want to add extra features to your document. Now in this exercise, you will learn about inserting objects in a document. इस एक्सरसाइज में हम लोग जानेंगे कि कैसे ऑब्जेक्ट को इंसर्ट करेंगे करेंट डॉक्यूमेंट में. टू इंसर्ट एन ऑब्जेक्ट, फर्स्टली ओपन अ न्यू वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट. एक नया वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट ओपन कीजिए. देन सेलेक्ट इंसर्ट टैब. इंसर्ट टैब को सेलेक्ट कीजिए. देन क्लिक ऑब्जेक्ट on the text section. A dialog box will be displayed. This is the insert object dialog box. Here you can select the object tab. Which type of object you want to insert in a Word document? You can select any one of them that displayed in a list. After that, click on OK button. It will insert your current document. Next, select Create from File tab and click Browse and select a file such as a spreadsheet or PDF document that is available on your computer and click Open and click OK. It will insert a spreadsheet, that is also called Microsoft Excel, or PDF, portable document format, in your current document. Notice the document is available embedded with your Word document. जो आपने Word document को इंसर्ट किया है ये embedded document होता है. Next note is, if you would like to edit the embedded document, double click on it. It will automatically open it for editing using respective application. अगर आप चाहते हैं embedded document में कुछ edit करना, modify, changes करना, then you can double click on the embedded document. It will be opened with a edit mode. You can easily here make some changes. Next, note 1. The embedded object cannot be printed. Embedded object को आप print नहीं कर सकते. Next, second point. The person opening your document must have the relevant software loaded on their computer. जो डॉक्यूमेंट आपने embed किया है बेसिकली उस सॉफ्टवेयर के रिगार्डिंग आपके कंप्यूटर में सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए. सेकंड, इफ यू embed an object, the size of your document increases significantly, and this may cause problem in emailing the document as an attachment. जब आप इस डॉक्यूमेंट को चेंज कर रहे हैं तो इसका साइज में भी इंक्रीज हो जाए, तो ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकता है जब आप इसको सेंड करेंगे एज एन अटैचमेंट. नेक्स्ट, इफ यू लिंक एन ऑब्जेक्ट, द पर्सन ओपनिंग द डॉक्यूमेंट मस्ट हैव अ डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन टू द ओरिजिनल फाइल लोकेशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड इफ द पर्सन ओपनिंग दिस डॉक्यूमेंट have a direct connection from original files or locations of the object. जिस ऑब्जेक्ट को आपने इंसर्ट किया है उससे आपका डायरेक्ट लिंक होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज यू कांट कनेक्ट देम. It is very useful tools when you want to add special features to your document, want to insert a spreadsheet, or want to add a portable document. Also, you can add pictures, audios, recorded videos as a embedded file. To design your document and give more information about the topic. Next, some exercise are given. First one is insert object in the text. You have to perform those. After that, some assessment questions. Fill in the blanks. You all have to solve and send them in a group. And if you have doubt regarding these topics, then you can ask them. Thank you.